Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fizzy candy. While commercial popping candy uses high-pressure carbon dioxide, we can achieve a similar exciting sensation right in your kitchen. We'll focus on creating a hard candy base and then incorporating ingredients that react to produce a delightful fizz. This process is both fun and educational, showing you a bit of kitchen chemistry. Remember to always prioritize safety when working with hot sugar, as it can reach very high temperatures. To begin, you'll need to create your candy base. In a medium saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. Stir these ingredients over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once simmering, carefully insert a candy thermometer, making sure its tip doesn't touch the bottom of the pan. Continue cooking the mixture until it reaches precisely 305 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. Once your candy syrup reaches 305 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat. Allow it to cool slightly to about 275 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the crucial moment for the fizz. Quickly but carefully, stir in 2 tablespoons of citric acid and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. You can also add your favorite flavorings and a few drops of food coloring now. Work quickly, as the mixture will start to react and harden as it cools, creating that wonderful fizzy effect. After mixing in your fizzing agents, immediately pour the candy onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Spread it out thinly and evenly using a spatula. Let it cool completely at room temperature until it's firm and brittle. By the way, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for the link, as well as other great deals. Once fully hardened, you can break the candy into small, irregular pieces. Now you have your very own homemade fizzy candy, ready to enjoy and share.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.